How's it going, everybody? Today we're doing an unboxing on the Raid Japan G.DASH. Raid has been having a lot of good products lately. I've been trying to get my hands on the GI. Luckily, I was able to get my hands on this G.DASH here. I purchased this bait from Hookup Tackle off their website. They have a few different colorways. This is the Gachibuna colorway. This bait is a 1 3/8 ounce weight class, and it's 5.5 inches long. Now there's a couple different ways that you could use this bait. With the normal retrieve, it's basically gonna run just below the surface with a cruise and a little bit of a rattle inside as well. Now, with the faster retrieve, it's gonna kick water more violently, and it's still gonna flow just below the surface like a fleeing bait fish. So it's gonna bring those bites, those aggressive bites for those aggressive bass that are bedding or that are protecting their fry. There is a tri-fin on the back that allows the bait to stabilize itself when you're working the bait. Let's go ahead and get it out of the box for you guys. Great packaging. So when you open the package, you have here the bait. They also throw in a spare rubber tail there for you guys. Nice 3-piece jointed swim bait here. They do have a snap swivel in the front here for you. They do recommend when you're storing it to keep it inside of this plastic here so the tail doesn't get ruined. They say that coming in contact with Senkos and stuff like that will deteriorate the tail. So if you want it to last a bit longer, they do recommend you to keep this plastic piece on. Very good hooks, similar to swim bait underground hooks. They do have a hanger here to add weight, grenade weight. That way you can get it down deeper. I'll be fishing it stock as is right now, just to see if I need to add weight. That's a good look at it, guys. Let's go get it bit. Oh, I'm on. Oh, he got off, dog. On the G.DASH. Got one. Oh, I had him. Yo, I got one. Got him. Oh, he knocked the tail off too. Oh, he's not happy. Look at that guy on that G.DASH. Took the tail off of it. Look at that. Not a big one, but it's something. About 15 inches. Nice one. Let's go ahead and let these guys go. All right. Got that one on the G.DASH Raid Japan. Smoked the tail off of it. But I got another one at the crib, so. On. Fucking dink. Oh shit, almost fell, bro. Little dude. Hey, this fool was fighting like a 3-pounder, bro. He almost just hooked my shit too. Little bastard. Bro, chill out. Now you're doing the most. That fool is scrapping like a spotty, bro. Look at this fool. Look at this boy.
I was expecting like a half pounder.
He's kind of looks like a smallie, low-key. Little dude on the lipless.
Yeah, I was trying to get that shit bit.
Ooh, I got that shit right in the pocket. You seen that?
Yeah, I was trying to get that shit bit. And I was with the homie Jose. He's like, just bring that and like one other bait in case you lose it. So I literally brought that shit, the Scout, and the little D. And I probably had like 20, 30 fish on just those.
Damn.
See all the little fuckers coming in?
Yeah, I do.
They had like a little mini boil right when I first put up over here. And I was over here watching them out of one eye.
Look on. Damn, that was tugging, bro.
Hey, at the tip.
Bro, you seen that?
He's trying to get the fish to all the way to the reel.
I just felt my shit stop going. I was like, man.
He blended in good. I didn't see him until he blinked the second time.
I knew he was gonna do that. That fool was scrapping. You seen that?
Yeah. But I thought you were still throwing the weight hog. I was like, oh shit.
I ripped his nostril. Look at that boy on that. Damn, this fool's pissed. They're fired up right now. They're gonna start biting. I know it. Got him on that lipless crank. Front flip. Got him. It's a bluegill, fool. That boy looks just like my toxic bait. Look at that. Match the hatch to the fullest, bruh. That's crazy. Hey, there's a rattlesnake over here.
Yeah?
Is it?
Yes. Espérate.
Watch out for the dogs.
Cuidado con los perros. Agarra esta. Está. Ven, agarra.
Yeah, it's a rattlesnake. Nah, it's a small one. Rattler.
Ay, ay.